In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Real Racing 3 not downloading or getting stuck during installation. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or strong mobile data. If Wi-Fi is not working properly, restart your router or switch to mobile data and try again. Next, restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix many download or installation issues by clearing temporary system bugs. After that, go to your phone settings, then navigate to the option General, then head over to the option iPhone Storage. If you see Real Racing 3 partially installed, tap on it and select Delete App. Once deleted, go back to App Store and reinstall the game fresh. Also check the storage. Real Racing is a big game, so make sure you have at least 3 to 4 GB of free space. Delete or offload unused apps, files or photos. Lastly, check for your device software update. For that, scroll up, go to the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. Running an older iOS version can sometimes block large game downloads, and that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to download this game. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.